Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to convert a rational number into a decimal form but of non-terminating type. Now the word non-terminating itself tells us that whenever we convert this rational number into a decimal form, we are not going to obtain the remainder as 0. The division will continue up to the infinity. Means we are getting some particular pattern of number or same number again and again. So this type of decimal form, which is infinite, is called as non-terminating decimal form. So from this category we are going to solve two examples to understand this non-terminating decimal form in much better manner. So let's start solving this example. We are given example as 11 upon 6. This rational number is given to us and we are going to convert this particular rational number into the non-terminating decimal form. So let's start solving this. 11 6 ones are 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. 1 decimal point 0. 6 8s are 48. 50 minus 48, the remainder comes out to be 2. Again 1 0. 6 3s are 18. Remainder is 2. Again 1 0. 6 3s are 18. 0. See, like this we are going to obtain this particular 3 number again and again in the quotient. So this division is not going to end. So this is called as a non-terminating number. So this decimal form 1.8333 ... is called as non-terminating decimal form. Usually we represent this decimal form as 1.83 and above 3 we draw a dot. Why we have drawn a dot over here? Because this 3 is going to occur again and again as much as time as we are going to perform the division. Hence we have put a dot over the 3, means the number which is going to occur again and again. For understanding this particular concept very well, we will solve one more example. This second example we are going to solve for non-terminating decimal form is 2 upon 11. This example we are going to solve now. 0, a decimal point 1 0. 11 ones are 11. Remainder is 9. We have taken a 0. 11 8s are 88. We can subtract 88 from 90. And 90 minus 88, answer is 2. Again 1 0. 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11 9. Again 1 0. 11 8s are 88. Remainder is 2. Again 0. 11 ones are 11. If we keep doing this division up to infinite time, then also we are not going to obtain a proper answer, because this type of division is non-terminating. In this particular case, we are obtaining this pattern in the quotient 181818. So this particular number is going to be repeated again and again. So 0.181818, or simply we can write 0.18, and we are going to draw a horizontal line over 18, because this particular number is going to occur again and again. So this type of division is called as non-terminating division, and the decimal form is called as non-terminating or recurring type division. So I hope you have understood this concept very easily. Just note the one difference that in both the examples, see, I am keeping both the examples here. In case of this, we were obtaining number 3 again and again. So I have put a dot over that 3. And in this case, we are obtaining 1 8 number again and again. So whenever we obtain a particular pattern of numbers, we put a horizontal line over that particular number, and when we obtain only a single number again and again, then we put dot over it. I hope you have understood this video very well. Thank you.